If you stopped working today? How long before your money runs out? A week, a month. If that question makes you uncomfortable, you're not alone. A recent 2025 report shows 67% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. That means 2/3 of the population are just 1 or 2 paychecks away from financial trouble. Most people work for money, but the wealthy, they make money work for them. The difference isn't luck, it's knowledge. Welcome to my YouTube channel MONFIN, where we decode money and master finance. Here, we don't chase trends or hype. We study how money actually grows, moves, and multiplies. From smart investing to building passive income, we'll show you the systems the rich use to stay ahead. So if you're ready to understand money, not just earn it, you're in the right place. We've been told, work harder, get promoted, find a better job. But what if the real problem isn't how hard you work, it's how you earn? Today we'll talk about the biggest trap of modern work, trading your time for money, and more importantly, how to break free and build income that works, even when you don't. Part 1. The time for money trap. From your first job, you're taught one formula: more hours, more pay. Sounds fair until you realize it's a trap. The moment you stop working, your income stops too. Even high earners, doctors, designers, freelancers are still stuck. Their money depends on their time. This system rewards effort, not ownership. And effort doesn't scale, time is limited. If your income stops when you stop working, you don't own your income, it owns you. Part 2. The mindset shift. Financial freedom isn't about making more money, it's about changing how you make it. There are 2 types of income, active and leveraged. Active income, you trade hours for dollars. Leveraged income, your systems, money or assets earn for you. As investor, Jeff Doe says, "You'll never get rich renting out your time. You must own equity. Freedom isn't quitting work. Freedom is having the choice to work when, where, and how you want." Part 3. 3. Real paths. Dividend investing, the power of ownership. 1. When you buy dividend stocks, you own a piece of a company. When it profits, you earn a share of that profit. From 1960 to now, over 80% of the S&P 500's total returns have come from reinvested dividends. If you invest $500 a month from age 25 with an 8% return, you'll have about $1.7 million by 65. Start 10 years later, you'll have less than half. That's the power of compounding. 2. Digital products. Build once, earn forever courses, ebooks, templates. You create once and sell infinitely. Many creators earn $50,000, $150,000 a year this way. Your content becomes a 24/7 employee. 3. Content creation. Your voice as an asset. A YouTube video can earn between $2,000 and $12,000 per million views, depending on niche and ad rates. But the secret? Consistency. It compounds just like investing. Part 4. Build systems, not jobs. Most people who want freedom accidentally build another job. They leave their 9 to 5 and start a 12-hour hustle. The difference between a job and a system? A job needs you. A system works without you. Your goal is to build systems that make money without you being there. Through automation, delegation, and reinvestment. Because if your income stops when you stop working, it's not freedom yet. Conclusion. Financial freedom doesn't come from working harder. It comes from building smarter, turning effort into ownership. Your time is your most valuable currency. Stop selling it for money. Invest it into assets that keep paying you back. If you're ready to make your money work harder, then you do subscribe now. We're building real, sustainable wealth, one system at a time. Thanks for watching MONFIN.